Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through and show you how to start an LLC in North Carolina. I'll briefly go over what an LLC is, some of the benefits that come along with having an LLC, and the 8 steps you need to take to get your limited liability company set up and running. And later in the video, I'll also show you another easier option that'll completely streamline the LLC formation process for you. Now, the steps involved in forming an LLC are generally quite similar across all states, so you can still follow this video if you're starting your LLC in any other state other than North Carolina. So if you'd like to learn more about LLCs and how you can start one yourself, this video is for you. And now without further ado, let's get started. So firstly, what is an LLC? Well, an LLC is a type of business structure that stands for Limited Liability Company. It is perfect for startups and entrepreneurs, and I always tell people if you actually want to take your business seriously, you should start an LLC. That's because there are just so many benefits that come along with having an LLC. First of all, the reason most LLC owners choose to start one in the first place is because they limit your personal liability. So what this means is, if your company gets sued for whatever reason, they can't come after your personal assets. So if you make a mistake and something goes wrong and you actually get sued by someone, only the assets that are inside the LLC will be at stake. All of your personal assets, such as your homes, your cars, and anything else that isn't tied into the business, they'll be completely safe. Another reason a lot of entrepreneurs choose to start an LLC is because they allow you to raise outside capital. So if you're looking for outside funding, LLC might be a great option for you. And I'll provide some links down below just to help you with that. And of course, LLCs have some amazing tax advantages too, which is another reason so many people choose to start one. That's because an LLC is called a pass-through entity. So unlike some other business entities like S corporations that actually get double taxed, with an LLC, you are only going to get taxed one time. Now, there are a lot of other tax benefits that come with having an LLC, but it differs from business to business and state to state, and I'm certainly no expert on that. So when it comes to all this tax stuff, I would just highly recommend talking to your accountant and figuring out what works best for you, your business, and your state. So now you know what an LLC is and some of the benefits that come along with having one. But how do you actually start one? Well, doing it yourself will require you to go through these 8 steps. Step 1, you have to research and choose a business name. Step 2, choose a registered agent. Step 3, you're going to have to file your articles of organization. Step 4 will be to create an operating agreement. Step 5, obtaining the necessary permits and licenses. 6 will be to apply for your employer identification number, or EIN. Step 7, open a business bank account. And then finally, step 8 will be to comply with ongoing requirements depending on what state you're doing your LLC in. Now, the process can vary slightly from state to state, so it's important to check the specific requirements of the state where you plan to register. But unfortunately, one thing that does stay consistent from state to state is the sheer amount of time and effort required to actually go through all those 8 steps. You have to do the research for your particular state, gather all the right documents for each step, fill them in and file them properly in the correct places. Now, it is a super confusing and stressful process that could literally take months. Now, while you can certainly handle the process yourself, you might also want to consider using an online LLC formation service like Taylor Brands instead, which will guide you through the process and make it a lot more streamlined and convenient. So for those of you who aren't familiar with Taylor Brands, well, it's an amazing platform that I've been using for years now. That's because they have so many useful tools that are designed to make a business completely from scratch, all in one convenient place. They have a logo maker, website builder, business card printing, merch branding, and a bunch of other super useful tools as well. They have literally everything you need to get a full business up and running from scratch. And one of the most exciting features, and the one you're probably going to be interested in seeing as you're watching this video, is Taylor Brands' new zero-cost LLC formation service. And yes, you are hearing that right. Taylor Brands actually has a free plan for their LLC formation service at the moment. Now, I don't know how long this offer is going to last, so if you have been thinking about starting an LLC lately, I would jump on this offer as quickly as you can, because instead of spending months of your time going through those 8 steps, instead, with Taylor Brands, you can get your LLC fully set up in 3 super simple steps that take less than 5 minutes to finish. Taylor Brands have literally done this thousands of times and have developed an intuitive and user-friendly interface that guides you through each step of the formation process making it easy for literally anyone to complete the required steps. So let me hop on the computer here quickly and show you how easy it actually is. So firstly, you just want to click the link I've provided for you below the video in the pinned comment or description. Then once we're on the website, step 1 is just to choose our state from the drop-down menu. So just click on the drop-down menu here and choose the state where you want to form the LLC. Step 2, we just need to choose our business name. So just type in your ideal business name and it'll check it right there on the website and let you know whether it's available or not. And the third or final step, we just need to answer a few basic questions that they have about our business. They ask things like what service we're selling, what stage our business is at, how many employees we have, and then finally for our contact details. And that is basically it. Taylor Brands will then start the LLC formation process and their team of experts will guide you through each and every step of the way. And you'll have your LLC set up in no time at all. Now, there are other LLC formation services out there, but what really sets Taylor Brands apart from me is that their LLC formation service can also come with a lot of additional benefits that I haven't seen anywhere else. Some of their packages include access to their logo maker, the business card printing, and all of those super useful tools that I mentioned earlier, all of which can help you establish a strong brand identity right from the get-go. And not only that, but with Taylor Brands, you gain access to the team of experienced professionals who are ready to support you every step of the way. From answering your questions to providing personalized guidance, the experts ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. Now, Taylor Brands does also offer some additional optional packages for those who would like some enhanced services. Now, these packages can include features like expedited processing, document delivery, and priority customer support, all of which will give you peace of mind and save you even more time. So, if you would like your LLC entirely set up for you with only about 5 minutes of work on your end, try Taylor Brands and take advantage of their new $0 LLC formation offer by using the discount link I provided for you below the video in the description and pinned comment. But as for this video, guys, that is just about it. If you have any questions about starting an LLC or about Taylor Brands, drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this one. I'll catch you in the next video.